Good morning. It is, well, nearly the afternoon already. So the M3 Touring for this week is prepped, ready for polishing. We've got to send a wheel off for refurbishment. The car's receiving a new car protection. It does have a couple of thousand miles on it, but the condition of it is good enough that we can just do a new car protection. It's receiving Waxes Dead, Ultimate Plus, heat, glass, and then interior coatings. Obviously we've had the wheels off, we've done all in the arches. They're going to get protected as well, so plastic protector, a little bit of fabric protector. It's not really needed, but something's better than nothing. Engine bay's been detailed because that had a lot of water spots everywhere. We've had to do a lot of water spot removal. The customer had to leave on short notice and left water on the car to dry. So with our hard water, it was just covered in it. Yeah, so single stage machine polish, ceramic coating, and then she's good to go. Yeah, same as mine. Yes, exactly. It's investment into kit that's going to actually last as well.
much love.